Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. This is Maggie from Tycorun, and as you can see, this is our CPS, and we are going to shoot 30 pieces of the CPS to Middle East market. And Tycorun is a professional two-wheelers and three-wheelers battery swapping solutions in China, and we can offer the motorcycle charging cabling and the batteries, and also offering OEM solutions to the client.
This motorcycle is high speed and long range. Is suitable for doing taxi or delivery box in a local market. This motorcycle equipped with two pieces of 30 Ah battery and maximum speed can up to 110 km per hour. The range is 150 km when the speed is 50 km per hour. And the motorcycle can equip with 100-liter LED delivery box. And this is our another type of ABS plastic delivery box.
Okay, and if you are interested in our motorcycle delivery box, please feel free to contact us. This is Maggie from Tycorun. Bye bye.